Carnival Corporation is the world's largest cruise operator. It's based in Florida and operates under a number of cruise brand names. Market cap here, $25 billion US, a PE ratio of 16 and a dividend yield of 3%.
So fairly normal numbers there. Remember, the brands are the brands you'll be familiar with if you're in the cruise operations. Carnival, Cunard, P&O, the Costa lines. Basically, this company has hoovered up all of the big cruise boat operators, and it's also the massive ones as well as the sort of high luxury smaller ones.
Have you ever taken a cruise?
Yes, I have actually. I did take a trip from London, drove, then I went down to Cambridge, and then basically on a cruise around Europe for 2 weeks.
And a worthy holiday, is it, Joseph?
It was good, but I don't know if it would sunk, whether I was able to swim out of that.
Are you a fan,
I've never been on a cruise
I've
before.
never been on a cruise
Not?
either. No, it looks as though it's something we would have to do.
No, I mean, it looks fabulous, but it's really great for people who like to visit multiple destinations because, of course, the big boat parks outside and you can go and do a chair. So I think it's very, very popular amongst older people, particularly those that are sort of in retirement mode who are not up for the logistics of trains, planes and automobiles and running with your suitcases.
I have heard it's also a very good
to
family holiday.
I mean, do you hear him? He says it's good for older people. I mean, what does it talk?
Joseph has just told you that he's been on a cruise. I mean, you can't insult the guests like that, Paul, really. Joseph,
family people, it's very good for family people.
Can I take you to lunch? I'll make up for it. Please excuse my co-host here.
There is the chart. Look, Carnival Corp was established by Ted Ariston, and his son Mickey is the executive chairman now. They still control the board, but it's done fine. It's had a couple of ups and downs. Some of the troubles that they've faced is high fuel prices, which they don't like because, of course, the vehicles, all that. Staffing, labor issues, if there's problems with Ebola and that sort of thing, that can have an impact. They didn't do well in 2008, 2009, obviously, because everyone was cancelling holidays. Since then, it's been a bit of an earnings-based story, some currency variations, but generally it looks to me like a nice business.
Joseph, anything to add on the investment case here?
No, certainly. It does basically look very much like Priceline in terms of price and the momentum over the last 5 years also. The margins not as much as Priceline, but certainly still positive, close to double digits. So it's a good business, I think.
Remember the other drama they had was when the Costa Concordia, because remember Costa is one of their brands, ploughed into the Italian coastline with the captain that wasn't paying attention properly. So there are those kinds of dramas too.
There are risks to
every
the
now
operation.
and then one of their vessels is floating around in the Gulf of Mexico. They have like a Nova virus outburst and then they have to go quickly back to the harbour because everyone is sick.
Well, lucky it didn't happen on your trip. As you were saying, you weren't too sure about how you were going to get to shore. Hot or not, Joseph?
I will make it a hot.
Or hot or not?
Yeah, I think so. And my sense generally is that more people with more money are going to take more trips in the years to come. So being the largest player is a good thing.